Question 9. A bag contains n metal coins, n greater than or equal to 3, that are made from either silver or bronze. There are k silver coins in the bag and the rest are bronze. 2 coins are to be drawn at random from the bag, with the first coin drawn not being replaced before the second coin is drawn. Which of the following expressions will give the probability that the 2 coins drawn are made of the same metal? We can list the outcomes of this experiment using a 2-stage probability tree. Now we know there are n coins in the bag. Out of those n coins, we know that k must be silver. The rest are bronze. So if there are k silver coins in the bag, given that there are n coins in total, that means there must be n minus k bronze coins in the bag. Let's have a look at the probabilities in the first draw. So the probability of drawing a silver coin in the first draw must be k over n. And the probability of drawing a bronze coin, which is the complement of drawing a silver coin, must be n minus k over n. Now this is selection without replacement. We're not putting the coin back in the bag. So we're depleting the total number of coins in the bag by 1, which is why the probabilities in the second stage, the denominators are all n minus 1. So n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1. We just need to be mindful of the numerators. Let's have a look at drawing a second silver coin after drawing a silver coin in the first draw. So we've depleted the total number of coins by 1, so we have n minus 1 coins left in the bag. We've drawn a silver coin previously, which means there must be k minus 1 silver coins left in the bag. So the probability of drawing a second silver coin must be k minus 1 over n minus 1. There are still n minus k bronze coins in the bag, so the probability of drawing a bronze coin in the second draw after drawing a silver coin in the first draw must be n minus k over n minus 1. Let's have a look at drawing a silver coin in the second draw after drawing a bronze coin in the first draw. There are still k coins in the bag, but there are n minus 1 coins left. So the probability of drawing silver after drawing a bronze coin is k over n minus 1, and the probability of drawing a bronze coin after drawing a bronze coin in the first draw must be n minus k minus 1. So we've depleted the number of bronze coins by 1 already because we've already drawn a bronze coin here, and that's over n minus 1. Now the 2 outcomes that we're interested in are the 2 silver coins and the 2 bronze coins. So silver, silver, or bronze, bronze. So the probability of drawing the same 2 coins is equal to k over n times k minus 1 over n minus 1. So we're multiplying along the relevant branches in this tree diagram, plus n minus k over n times n minus k minus 1 over n minus 1. Now we have a common denominator here, which is n times n minus 1, which appears here. So combining the 2 fractions together, we get k times k minus 1 in brackets plus n minus k in brackets times n minus k minus 1 in brackets over n times n minus 1 in brackets. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.